That's it. I've come up with a new recipe. An elegant orange cake, suitable for royalty such as yourself, and a taste of royalty to others. Ingredients and equipment can be found in the description. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. You can also follow Video Game Meals on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You could even go one step further and contribute to the Patreon page for as little as $1, which helps the channel and gives you exclusive items. Now, let's get started. Cut the top and bottom off of the orange and then remove the peel in quarters. With each quarter, remove as much of the pith as possible. The pith is the white of the peel. Next, place a pan of water with the peel on a high heat and bring to the boil. Once it starts boiling, remove it from the heat and rinse under cold water. This removes any remaining bitterness. Cut the peel up into small strips. Now weigh up the sugar and water that will be used to candy the orange peel. Place the pan back onto high heat and add the orange peel. Once it starts to boil, reduce to very low heat for 20 minutes. Don't leave the pan unattended and stir if necessary. Meanwhile, you can start weighing up the ingredients for the cake batter in separate bowls and preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the peel is ready, remove it from the syrup and place onto a plate and coat in sugar. For the cake mix, start by beating the butter on slow until it starts to turn pale. Then add the sugar and salt and mix until incorporated. Next, over 3 parts, add the egg, milk, orange and vanilla extract, adding the flour in between each part. When all the flour has been added, scrape down the bowl and turn the mixer on high speed for 2 minutes. Your mix should look light and fluffy. Place almost all the mix in a prepared loaf tin and spread it evenly. Add the candied peel and then cover with the remaining cake batter. Place into the middle of the oven and bake for 40 minutes. It might need longer, so just check it with a skewer or toothpick. Once it is ready, leave it to cool down. Remove it from the tin and dust with icing sugar. Slice 2 thick pieces and serve with vanilla ice cream. Top with a little dusting of cinnamon and a sprig of mint and a wedge of orange to the side. Enjoy with a nice hot cup of tea. It's quite remarkable, if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching. Check out all the other great videos by Video Game Meals. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.